Dirty dealings, corporate battles, consumer woes. This is Evening 5. Approved investment inflows into the country from January to June 2024 increased to 160 billion, representing an 18% growth compared to the same period last year, said Prime Minister Datuk Sri Anwar Ibrahim. He said that these investments involve nearly 3,000 new projects that will create over 79,000 job opportunities for Malaysians. He said that this level of investment has been achieved with the cooperation of all agencies and ministries such as the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry, the Ministry of Finance and the Malaysian Investment Development Authority. The PM was giving a speech at the 30th anniversary celebration of Khazanah Nasional. He also praised Khazanah's move to set a minimum wage of 3,000 ringgit per month for its employees and expressed hope that private companies will follow suit. While acknowledging the importance of private companies making a profit, he emphasized that there should be a commitment from management to ensure the well-being of their employees. Meanwhile, Anwar also criticized previous political decisions that lack transparency, which gave opportunities for several cronies to destroy a company, particularly companies that are symbols and pride of the nation, such as Malaysian Airlines. However, he said that efforts to restore the national airline have been initiated by Khazanah. Anwar also urged the public not to discuss only the weaknesses, as there are dozens other undeniable successes, including ventures abroad, such as Malaysia Airport Holdings, which owns the Istanbul Sabiha Gökçen International Airport. Hence, he hoped that these unsettling news stories can be a lesson so that political leaders especially do not interfere in the business and trade matters, including companies under Khazanah stable. Solarvest Holdings has secured a 113.29 million contract from Solar to construct a 30-megawatt solar plant in Pekan, Pahang. Solarvest unit Atlantic Blue is expected to complete the project within 18 months from the date of acceptance of the letter of award on Tuesday. The project was awarded to Solar, a 70% owned unit of Malaysian Renewable Energy Group, under the Corporate Green Power Program awards by the Energy Commission. Solarvest Group CEO Davis Chong said that both companies are exploring collaboration under the latest Corporate Renewable Energy Supply Scheme to generate more clean energy, helping corporate customers achieve Malaysia's national RE target by 40% capacity by 2050. He added that Solarvest, as an experienced solar project developer, has successfully assisted clean energy investors and partners to bid around 443.4 MWP of CGPP, and the group is currently actively pitching the EPCC opportunities with potential revenue of over 714 million ringgit. The Pekan Solar Farm, spread over 88 acres of repurposed land near the coast, is designed with monsoon-resistant features and incorporates top-tier panels and inverters. Upon completion, the solar farm is expected to generate approximately 57,500 MWH of clean energy annually. Malaysian glove makers could meet the slight uptick anticipated in glove demand amid the monkeypox outbreak, said the Malaysian Rubber Glove Manufacturers Association. The industry association expects higher demand following the World Health Organization's declaration in August that mpox is a public health emergency of international concern. Margma President Kim Hung told the media that there wouldn't be any shortages as the industry is always well prepared on the sidelines of the 11th International Rubber Glove Conference and Exhibition 2024 on Tuesday. Prior to the 2024 mpox outbreak, Margma expected demand for gloves to rise 12 to 15% annually from 2023, which saw 307.2 billion pieces sold. In the first half, Malaysia's rubber glove trade rebounded by 17% and reached 6.8 billion ringgit, compared with 5.8 billion in the first half of 2023, Margma data showed. WHO's emergency declaration on mpox on August, its second in 2 years, follows an outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo that has spread to neighboring countries. Outside of Africa, mpox has recently been reported in Sweden, Thailand, Pakistan and Jordan. In Malaysia, Health Minister Datuk Sri Dr. Zulkifli Ahmad said on Monday that the country will receive mpox vaccines distributed through the COVID-19 ASEAN Response Fund. Un also urged the public to maintain a ready stock of gloves for the outbreak instead of resorting to panic buying. Chemicals manufacturer Hexza Corp said that it had acquired 50,000 shares in British semiconductor and software design giant ARM Holdings for $6.36 million US dollars or 29.5 million ringgit cash with the intention of deriving dividend income and for potential capital gains. This translates to a purchase price of about 127 US dollars and 17 cents per share. Shares of ARM closed at 132 US dollars and 88 cents on Nasdaq on Monday. Hexza said in a bourse filing that the shares were purchased on the open market, funded by internal funds. The investment, Hexza added, was non-operational in nature and was undertaken mainly as an alternative to fixed deposits, money market financial products, and unit trusts. Based in Cambridge, England, ARM's primary business is the design of CPU cores that implement the ARM architecture family of instruction sets. In a separate bourse filing, Hexza said it had disposed of 216,394 shares in American robotics warehouse automation company Symbotic for $5.14 million US dollars cash. This translates to a selling price of about 23 US dollars and 75 cents per share. Symbotic shares closed at $19.20 on Nasdaq on Monday. Hexza said the disposal of the shares has resulted in a fair value loss of 12.89 million ringgit. The group said it had disposed of the quoted securities to mitigate risks of further losses after taking into consideration the overall market conditions of Symbotic shares. Euro Holdings said the High Court on Tuesday struck out the lawsuit filed by Surian Creation against the furniture maker and its former managing director, Datuk Sri Lim Tek Poon. In a bourse filing, Euro Holdings said the court struck out the suit filed in Malacca last year with costs. Surian had sought payment of 19.29 million from the defendants, which included Euro Holdings subsidiaries, Euro Steel Line, Eurospace Industries Malaysia, and Eurospace System. Surian had accused the defendants of conspiring together by seizing full control over the company and then using Surian to obtain banking facilities to be used for the benefit of the defendants without incurring any liability. Euro Holdings shares closed unchanged at 7.5 cents on Tuesday, giving the group a market capitalization of 93.37 million ringgit.